Welcome to another episode of Forgotten 66. Today we're taking Highway 6, which was part of the pre-1937 alignment of Route 66 when it ran through Santa Fe. And we're heading for an abandoned section from the post-1937 alignment after Route 66 bypassed Santa Fe and started running directly east and west through New Mexico. So hang on, and we'll be there in about 30 miles or about 5 seconds in YouTube time. And we're here. Unfortunately, the Wild Horse Mesa bar that used to be over there isn't anymore. But I bet it sure had some stories from back in the day. Alright, let's go see what this road has to offer. We're gonna put the drone up here in a little bit because the road gets blocked off about a half mile up the road here, and airspace isn't blocked off, so take a look from the air a little bit. But for now, let's see what it feels like. It's relatively good shape, I guess, because I don't think it gets used hardly at all. You can tell, you know, it's not a very wide road, but good enough for back in the early days, I guess. Not much out here, right? You know, in the desert. Not too far from Albuquerque, and I guess not too far from Laguna Pueblo, which had some stops back in the day. Speaking of stopping, stop right here, get off, and take a little closer look around. Definitely asphalt. It's raised up, I guess, to be able to make it nice and flat. And definitely straight to Albuquerque this direction. You know, it sure is a privilege to be able to ride this old forgotten section of Route 66 like this. I mean, this was the mother road. You know, this was the kind of road that we take for granted today, but that just gave people the opportunity to get up and go and travel. And I can't imagine the number of cars that have been along this section. This is where we stop. You know, I applied for a permit to be able to keep on riding past this on Laguna land, and I've gotten permits for different other places, but they wouldn't give me one for this, so let's take a ride with the drone, see what it looks like. Even though nobody drives this stretch anymore, this old alignment, it's still pretty clear from the air, right? You can still see the path travelers once followed across New Mexico and across our country. And this place, this road, it's not going anywhere.